Karibuni and asanteni kwa somo letu la 4 in our 4th lesson. We are going to look at how consonants combine with the vowel E. A, E, E. We are on the 3rd vowel, which is E. So kusoma silabu zenye vokali E. How to read syllables that use the vowel E. Tunaanza. E, B, Chi, D, Fi, Gi, Hi, Ji, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, Pi, Ri, Si, Ti, Vi, Wi, Yi, and Z. We're going to read this again. E, B, Chi, D, Fi, Gi, Hi, Ji, Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, Pi, Ri, Si, Ti, Vi, Wi, Yi, Z. Unganisha silabi kuunda neno. So we are going to combine syllables to form words or to form words. He. So we have the syllable he and e, which combine, and this means this. Nini, which means what? Nini. Bibi, which means wife. Wiki, which means week. Tisa, 9. Keki, cake. Read the words. Miti, trees. Gilasi, glass. Pilipili, paper. Pikipiki, motorbike. Pikipiki means a motorbike. Chini, down. Sisi, us. Kijiti, stick. Fisi, a hyena. Read the sentences. Bibi yake ana glasi 60. Bibi yake ana glasi 60, which translates to his wife has 60 glasses. Hii wiki nitapika yai. Number 2, hii wiki nitapika yai translates to this week I'll cook an egg. Fisi yuko chini ya mti. Number 3, fisi yuko chini ya mti. The hyena is under the tree. Number 4, kijiti hiki kinachora vizuri. Kijiti hiki kinachora vizuri. This stick is drawing well. Asanteni sana, asante sana. Tutakutana baadaye. Kwaheri.